Hello Africa, hello Nigeria, it's still your girl Miss Bleeds in the building and this is Big Do Solution, you know how we do it. So this is actually a street yarn. I've been meeting so many people I know nothing about. I'm just going to be asking them random questions about their attire, from their head to their toe, what they're wearing, how expensive it is. So just don't go nowhere, let's go look for some people. Okay, so we're still on the street yarn of Big Do Solutions. So we're still, I'm still looking for a lot of persons to just ask normal questions about their attire, how much it costs, what they are wearing, and so on and so forth. So, sorry, excuse me, sir. Sorry. My name is Miss Bleeds. This is Big Do Solution. So it's a TV show. Actually, I just want to know what you're wearing, how much it costs, and so on and so forth. So can you please tell me and the viewers out there how much this? Sorry, I don't understand that.
So, go now. You take a hand to know your room now. In a zoom up with you, but we go down the Riano. You have up with you. Up and this and also, even a year. Even a two may go to Mudoria. It's a no. What was the couple of years okay?
Sorry, who knows what he's saying?
So, look at him or not getting missing. I took Kotogun in a Juma. You put John Knight. I'm on a call in.